Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to introduce to you an amazing app with the Quran. When you recite the Quran, don't you want to look at a page and feel it easy to recite, a feeling that you get when you look at the last pages containing small surahs? You have it now in the new app with the Quran. Instead of looking at 15 lines in one go, you will see parts with 3 to 5 lines in each part. And you won't even notice how time passed in reading the full page. But that is just the beginning of the exciting journey with the Quran. Just touch the screen and in 3 seconds you will know what that part is about. It will help you get closer to the message, increase your understanding, improve your focus, decrease distractions, and that will drastically change the way you recite the Quran. Based on these small parts, you can learn to recite, improve your tajweed, focus on learning Arabic, and more importantly, take you to the ultimate step of memorizing the page part by part. Touch a word or an ayah number to know the meanings. Listen to it, highlight it, learn its grammar, test your hifz, create notes on it, that is your comments on hifz, tajweed, tafsir, etc. Keep a record of your recitation as to how many pages or paras you have read. Listen to a qari in any combination you imagine, especially those parts where you have problems in recitations. Listen to word by word, ayah by ayah, words and ayahs, surah by surah, page by page, or listen to the translation. Test your tajweed. Pick a qari and record your recitation in his style, and play your tilawah and check yourself, or play your tilawah with the qari and check it. Memorize using 4-step method. Listen to the verses, read, memorize, and repeat. Test your hifz. Identify verses one by one on a page, or order ayahs, or find next ayah, record and check. Test and share the results with your friends to create a competition. Track your hifz. Mark the pages you have memorized and the quality of your hifz using 5 levels like poor, weak, or excellent, etc. As a teacher or parent, you can keep a record of your students or of your children, each one separately. Generate a report for each student. Choose Indo-Pak Mus'haf or the Arab World Mus'haf. Go through the quick help and make sure to watch tutorial videos online at wtq.ideas2serve.net. An app based on practical teaching experience to overcome the challenges in recitation, tajweed, understanding, and memorization. Based on the real Mus'haf images and not on fonts, yet you can touch any word or ayah and get the details. It's a free gift by Ideas to Serve. Download now the app and learn tajweed and understanding using our free courses on understandquran.com or free Quran education channel on YouTube. Wassalamu alaikum.